Hi all, in this video I am going to teach interview skills, some skills to be needed to get success in job interviews. Let us see what are those skills. First thing, job interviews. The interviewing process, why we are interviewing. So the interview process is a complex means of gathering relevant data or information about a candidate for promotion or making a selection panel, whether he or she is eligible for the position or he or she will be fit for the position. We can see this through, we can select a proper eligible candidate through this interview process. So it is a structured mechanism for professional evaluation for employment as well as promotion, not only for selection process, just or it can be used for promotion process also inside a company. So the success, how a success can be gathered in this job interview. So this success depends on knowledge, depends on self-confidence, good speaking skills, thorough preparation, use of appropriate interview strategies. Let us see all this: knowledge dependence, self-confidence, good speaking skills, thorough preparation, use of appropriate interview strategies. Let us see what are those strategies. So let's see first. Job interviews are more challenging today. Why? Because of the growing competition in the job market. Obviously, so many people nowadays are unemployed. They are searching for their perfect job, particularly changing demands of the job market world. Obviously, so the demand have continuously changed. You cannot just go for a interview just by keeping your BE degree. So there should be some diploma degree, there should be some other classes to be done to improve your knowledge, to improve your field knowledge in a particular area or something. So you have to learn and learn and learn. Why? Because the demands have grown. So increasing focus on the candidate's personal qualities, changes in the interviewing techniques. So all these things are needed. So it has become more challenging nowadays. So characteristics of the job interview. First characteristic is more important in job interview is planning. So while you are going to conduct a job interview or while going to attend a job interview, the first thing is planning. Where, which, when, the time, the venue, the number of experts, how many of them are going to come, or how many of them, or how many of the persons are going to interview, and the areas to be covered in the interview, the papers and the materials needed that to be submitted or to be get in the interview process. All these are to be planned before. All these are to be planned before before going to attend an interview. While you're conducting an interview or while you're going to attend an interview, these things to be planned perfectly. The first thing is planning. And the next thing is purpose of interviews. There are some types of interviews. For each interview type, there is a purpose. The first thing is to ensure correct selection. First thing is HR interviews. These HR interviews, the purpose of these HR interviews are to test your personality traits of candidates. It tests your personality traits. So how you're personally fit, how your personality is. That should be known. That data should be collected in this HR interviews. And technical interviews, so subject knowledge are gathered in this technical interviews. Situational interviews, problem solving skills, attitude, aptitude, everything comes under the situational interviews. Criterion based interviews, this knowledge and abilities to be fit to the position. Yes, you're a mechanical engineer, but you're going to work in electrical field. How your knowledge in the electrical field, that is also to be tested. And there is no rule any mechanical student should work in the mechanical field. You can work in electrical field if you have some knowledge on electrical field, right? So this criterion based interviews will test your knowledge apart from your education, right, which fits to the position that you are going to be selected. The next thing is conversation between a job aspirant and the members of the selection committee. There will be a conversation which is a little which is less formal then, which is a less formal thing. Basically, a question answer session. Then a two-way interaction, one-to-one interview will be there, one-to-many interview. You can be interviewed, many people can be interviewed by only one person randomly like that. And then informality, less formal than public speech situation, and informal friendly atmosphere. Pre-interviews preparation techniques. Yes, this is very much important. Before going to an interview, what are the techniques has to be followed and what are the preparations need to be done? The first thing, self-analysis. Analyze your background. Analyze your background. Identify your accomplishments, identify your achievements, identify your special interest and hobbies, analyze your career goals. All these are self assessments, self analysis. First, analyze your background. What is your background? Personally, also, career based, also, financially, also, physically, also. You have to check your background and identify your accomplishments, what and all you have done previously, and your achievement in that, how many have succeeded. Identify your special interest in what area you have interested, what are your hobbies, because hobbies judge a personality. Analyze your career goals. All these has to be analyzed, self analyzed before going to an interview. The next thing, analyze your skills apart from yourself, apart from your personal, your skills also to be analyzed. How will you rate yourself for this position? A scale of 1 to 10. So if you are going to attend a position like a manager, for a manager, assistant manager position, or a software engineer position, or anything, so you have to rate yourself. So in 10 to 1 to 10, and what grade you can give to yourself, that too particularly that grade should be based on the skills that fit to the position that you are going to be selected. Why should we hire you? That question you have to analyze. Why we have to, why the candidate, why the interview has to hire you? That question you have to prepare. What makes you suitable for this situation? What are your strengths? What are your greatest strength? All these questions you have to analyze on this skill basis. Particularly, what are your strengths? What are your strengths on this field particularly? How you are differ from others? How you differ from your fellow candidate? How you are unique from your fellow candidate? All these questions to be answered by yourself previously before going to this interview. You analyze yourself on the basis of your skills. Research the organization. Next thing is, you are going to attend an interview on any special organization like CTS or TCS, any organization. You have to know about the organization first. Research about the organization. See, the candidate should have some basic information about the organization regarding. So what are the information you have to know about the organization? First thing is major areas of operation. So what are the areas they are operating, they are working? Product, services of the organization. Focus on the activities of the organization, growth rate, hierarchical structure of the organization, work culture, the financial standing and turnover of the organization, corporate culture, recent developments in the organization, new product, services and projects, factors making the organization successful. So all these things, all these basic things you should know about the organization before going to attend an interview on the particular organization. The first thing is the areas, the major areas where the organization is working under, what are the products and services the organization is producing, the focus on the activities, or what are the activities the organization is focusing on, their growth rate, their hierarchical structure of the organization, their work culture, their financial standing and the turnover of the organization, their corporate culture, recent development in the organization, new product, services and projects, factors making the organization successful. So all these things you have to analyze before going to attend an interview in the same organization. The next thing is job analysis. Before going to attend an interview for a particular job, you have to analyze yourself, particularly based on the job. What does this job involved in? So what does this job, the position, the designation involved in? What are the responsibilities associated with the job? What are the special duties for the position? How is the position different from the similar position at another organization? Right? What are the skills and abilities needed for the job, the particular job you are going to apply for, the designation, the position? So all these questions should be answered. You should know all these details. What are the areas of specialization, micro specialization, expertise related to the particular job you are going to be selected? What are the prospectus and what are the chances of career enhancement? How you can move upright from the same position, right? So all these things you should analyze before choosing a position. So why does this job involve in? What are the responsibilities of the position? What are the special duties of the position? How the present position is different from the same position, similar position in another institution? What are the skills and abilities to be needed for this position? What are the areas of specialization, micro specialization, expertise related to the job? What are the prospects and what are the chances of career enhancement? So all these things, all these details should be known by the candidate before choosing a particular position. The next thing, revise your subject knowledge. That is very much important. Why? Because 90% an interview, you can get a job only on the basis of this subject knowledge. And then how you present your subject knowledge, that is very much important. So first thing is subject knowledge. Level of knowledge and technical expertise, you should revise this. Have your knowledge level. So revise your knowledge level. General awareness, topics related to burning social, political, economic, scientific and environmental issues. National and international affairs, controversial topics, key newsmakers, recent developments in different areas. All these things in your particular subject should be there. Have your subject, first thing, how deeply and fundamentally you know your subject. So level of knowledge and technical expertization. And then next, general awareness, how your subject is there in the public, how it is working practically in the society. And the next one, national and international affairs regarding your subject. Next, controversial topics in your subjects and key newsmakers and recent developments in different areas, particularly in your subject area. And then develop the interview file. The next thing, you have to develop your interview file. So interview file, what are the things should be there in the interview file? First thing is interview letter, so where you have received the letter from the organization, and original degree certificates and transcripts, experience certificates, reference and testimonials. All these should be there with photocopies and originals also. Certificates of merit, copies of your resume, your visiting card or relevant papers that might be needed during the interview. All these should be there, the interview file. All these testimonials should be there in the interview file. In the next, type of interview questions. Come to the point. What are the interview questions should be faced? So let us see here. Open questions. Tell us something about yourself. Most common question. Talk about your interest and activities. Plan this before. Describe the most difficult situation that you recently faced. What are the advantages of a mixed economy? Most common question that should be known by every citizen. What do you think about the impact of multinational companies on the Indian economy? Obviously, why? Because you people, if suppose you are going to attend an interview on a multinational company, this is a basic question. Closed questions, which is little subjective, personal. When did you complete your graduation? What was your major subject in the college? Where did you receive your first professional training? Do you know data processing? Next, probing question. Do you believe that students should be allowed in academic decision making, which kindle your objective knowledge? Reflecting questions. That means you want the public sector companies to be totally privatized. Does that mean that you favor a total ban on any type of violence in movies? That reflects your personality. And then loaded questions. You are too short, which test your patience level, which test your personality. You are too short, which test your confidence. Obviously, you are too short. Don't you think this is going to be a handicap for you? Do you think that a Ram temple must be constructed at the site of Babri Masjid? So all these are a question that test your confidence, test your general knowledge, test your patience, something like that. Hypothetical questions which cannot be answered easily. What would you do if you face a group of angry employees who want to harm company vehicle because one of the workers has been hurt by a company lorry? Yes. So this is a question you people has to be solved, right? So this question is obviously a hypothetical question. There will be so many answers, so you have to answer which is fit to the point. The next one of your staff has been involved in activities detrimental to your organization. He has been doing this for money that he needs for the treatment of his ailing mother, what would you do? Obviously, this question is also highly a hypothetical question which tests your stability of answering, obviously. So, all these questions are asked. So, there are some answering strategies to be followed for the success. So, what are those? First thing is attentiveness, accuracy in answers, brevity while answering, focus, clarity in your speech, in your attitude, positive attitude, logical thinking. All these are very much important. All these are the important strategies that should be followed, that to be inbuilt, should be developed before going to an interview. So if you have any doubt, kindly let me know. I'll clarify. So go through all these questions and the strategies, the challenges, everything. Go through it. While you can use all those things in your real life also, go through it. If you have any doubt, kindly let me know. I'll clarify.